Wanna switch back to personal account in 2025 on Instagram? Let me show you how to do it. So firstly, open Instagram on your device and right away go to your profile page. Now click on your profile icon in the bottom right there. So now review your profile page and look for the professional dashboard. This indicates that you are currently running a professional account. Now to switch it back to a personal account, go to this small menu right there and click on it. Now scroll down slowly until you see the Creator Tools and Controls and click on it. Now, when here, look for the Switch Account Type option and give it a tap. You'll be prompted to switch either to a personal account or to a business account and click on the personal account again. Instagram will warn you that you will lose all of the professional account features. If you're ready for that, click on the Switch Personal Account red button again, and that's pretty much it. Now go back to your profile and you will see that the professional dashboard is gone, which means that you have disabled your professional account and switched back to a personal account. And that's pretty much it. You can switch back to a professional account anytime you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.